Now time to wash my clothes with these nuts.
Yes, y'all, we are going to be washing my clothes today with these soap nuts from Real. They're Lavé Nuts. If you're not familiar with soap nuts, they're basically supposed to be a natural alternative to fragrance-free laundry detergent. According to the instructions, we're just supposed to put them in a pouch, then in the wash machine.
Not really sure what to describe the smell as. I would say it smells just a little on the earthy side. Natural, I would say.
Here's where the test comes in, because y'all, I go to the gym a lot, so that means I sweat a lot. So I went ahead and washed the clothes. Now, here's my opinion.
I'm so surprised it actually cleaned the clothes. Like, there is no stains on this shirt, and I checked out the other clothes and they're not looking stained either. I think these are really cool because honestly, you just dry them out and apparently you can use them for another like 4 to 5 times. I mean, isn't that amazing that a nut like this can wash our clothes, especially considering the bag is this big and I only use this much. It's gonna take me some time to go through this, and apparently it's compostable. We love that.